In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme in Microsoft Teams. Customizing the theme can completely transform your workspace, making it more comfortable, visually appealing, and easier on the eyes, especially during long hours of work or virtual meetings. Whether you prefer a bright light mode, a dark mode to reduce strain, or a high contrast theme for better readability, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step. To start, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or browser and sign in with your account. Once you're logged in, locate your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Teams window and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This opens the Settings panel where you can manage your account preferences, notifications, and interface settings. Inside Settings, go to the General tab. Here you'll find a section labeled Theme. Microsoft Teams provides three main options: default, light, dark, and high contrast. The default light theme offers a bright and clean look suitable for well-lit environments. The dark theme is ideal for reducing eye strain during nighttime work or extended screen time, while the high contrast theme enhances readability and accessibility, particularly for users with visual impairments. To apply a theme, simply click on your preferred option. Teams will instantly switch to the selected theme without needing to restart. You can toggle between themes as often as you like, and Teams will remember your choice on the device you're using. If you use Teams across multiple devices, your preferred theme may carry over if you're logged in with the same account, ensuring a consistent experience. Customizing your theme not only makes Teams more visually appealing, but also helps improve focus and productivity. Small changes like switching to dark mode or high contrast can significantly reduce eye fatigue and create a workspace that feels more comfortable and personalized. And that's it. Changing the theme in Microsoft Teams is simple, quick, and allows you to tailor your workspace to your needs. Thanks for watching this guide. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions or want to see more Microsoft Teams tutorials. By adjusting your theme, you can make your virtual workspace more enjoyable and productive every day.